Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to see monthly sales in Xero. This is incredibly useful for tracking your business performance and understanding revenue trends over time. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to Xero.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to follow along. Simply enter your login credentials and you'll be taken to your Xero workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. From here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu at the top, as this is where you'll access the reporting tools we need. Now locate the reporting option on the top navigation menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with various reporting options available to you. From this menu, select Accounts Transaction. This report type will allow you to view detailed transaction data filtered by specific accounts, which is exactly what we need to see your monthly sales. You'll now see a filtering section at the top of the page. This section is designed to help you customize the view of your report based on the criteria you set. These filters are powerful tools that let you drill down into specific data points, so it's worth taking a moment to understand how they work. From the filter options, look for the Accounts section drop-down, click on it, and scroll through the list until you find the sales account. Selecting this will ensure that only sales-related transactions are displayed in your report. Now, to create a proper monthly sales report, you need to adjust the date range to a monthly view. Click on the date fields and set the start and end dates to reflect the month you want to analyze. For example, if you want to see sales for January, you'd set the dates from January 1st to January 31st. Once you've configured both the account type and the date range to your preferences, click on the Update button. Xero will process your request and generate a monthly sales report based on the filters you've set. This report will show you all sales transactions for that specific month, giving you a clear picture of your revenue performance. And there you have it, you've successfully created a monthly sales report in Xero. This simple process allows you to track your sales performance month by month and make informed business decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.